I think the mood this morning is, to some extent, relief that things stayed peaceful last night. There'd been a lot of concern that we would see some violent unrest like we saw here in April after the death of Freddie Gray. The police, the mayor, faith leaders, and Freddie Gray's family all came out and asked people to demonstrate peacefully, and that's what happened last night. There were demonstrations, but they were overwhelmingly peaceful across the city. So the mood this morning is some relief, but also, I mean, there are a lot of people in this city who want to see Officer Porter retried because a hung jury doesn't really resolve anything. He was found neither guilty nor innocent. So it is very much an unresolved situation here, and I think that there are a lot of people in Baltimore that would like some sort of resolution in this case. The other big question that a lot of people have is, what does this mean for the 5 other officers who are going to be tried separately? The expectation was that they tried Porter first because the prosecutors wanted him as a material witness in other cases. The driver of that van, who is the officer that in theory had responsibility for Freddie Gray, he's supposed to be tried next, and that trial is supposed to start January 6th. So if you lose a key witness in Porter to that trial, what does that mean for the prosecution's case there? And then we've heard people wondering out loud, as pundits do, whether or not prosecutors should maybe think about offering immunity to Porter so that he will testify, or do you retry Porter and delay the other 5 cases? So there's a lot of uncertainty this morning.
Do we know what's happening today? Are they meeting with the judge, or what's going on?
So we understand, originally the judge said there would be an administrative hearing today. That has shifted to meetings with the lawyers that are involved in the Porter case. What we're not clear on is, pardon the noise as the truck is backing up here, but what we're not clear on is if those meetings will actually happen today or not. We believe that those meetings will happen today in the judge's chambers, but that's not open to the public. So we are sort of in the dark as to when those meetings will happen, and from our understanding, that is to schedule a date for a retrial. However, that is a formality, not a declaration that there will in fact be a retrial, and prosecutors have not come out and said whether or not they will retry Officer Porter. We talked to Representative Elijah Cummings, a U.S. congressman for the city of Baltimore yesterday, and he said he had on pretty good authority a very strong belief that Porter would be retried.
All right, Kris Van Cleave reporting from Baltimore for us. Kris, thank you.